Oh, Sassy's got her ball. She's very excited about. What are you doing, Mr. Duck? Like, oh, it's tasty. Eating snow. What? Lady just wants to get at it. She is ready. This is the time of great joy for Labradors. Oh, Sassy's got her ball. So excited. Oh, stick. Yes. Oh, yeah. Very talky. Duke's over there with he's eating snow up there. Duke! Come here, Duke! He's got his little snow nose. And he's got a stick. Always a good find in the snow. Want a good stick to chew on. Own the stick. Chew the stick. Duke, come here, buddy. Sassy's just balling in the snow. Thank goodness it's orange. It's a lot of snow. A lot of snow.